Weather Battle Analytics, meteorologist Joe Bastar, your Go Salt weekly video. See that? That is the dream pattern you look for winter, the month of December. These are the last 20 cold, snowy Decembers, the type of upper air pattern you look for. You want to see positive, what we call positive height anomalies across the north and the jet cutting underneath. You notice there's not a big deep trough over the east. You see this little trough over here. Now, are we going to get there? Well, let's take a look at this. That kind of pattern produces this kind of temperatures, and that would mean a lot of fun and games if you're in the business of supplying salt and de-icing and everything else. Are we going to get there? Well, let's see what the models say. I want to show you how this evolves. This is day 5. You see this X over here? This is this big ridge over the southwest. This is called the Icelandic low. When you get an Icelandic Greenland low, it's very warm underneath it. All right. So what you need to do is reverse all this. See, right now the congregation of cold is on the other side of the pole. I mean, you see these little cold pockets here, but when they're coming out of the southern branch, they're not very cold. All right, so you get out here to day 10. This is moving northeast. This is a crucial development here because by developing this ridge here, forces a trough into Europe. Notice this ridge begins to develop here. You get to day 15. Uh-oh, here we go. All right, and what will happen is this trough will back to here. This will go here, and then this will develop here, and you will have the playground of the positive heights up across the north, just like that dream pattern. Whoops, didn't want to show him. That was another video over there. You don't want to see that. Just like this dream pattern here, that results in this, okay? So that's where I think we're going. Now, do the models back me up here? Well, let me get this, all this drawing off. Well, let's take a look at this. This is a week one European forecast as far as its 500 millibar. This ends the week of the 21st. And we go out to the week ending the 28th. And let's see what it looks like here. Well, I got to take this off. Okay, now I say, okay, well, Joe, that's still not there. But notice what has happened, that this is going away. Now, let's get a little bit jiggy with it, okay? The week ending December 2nd. Uh-oh, here we go, right? Ha-ha. Now, the week ending December 9th. Dun, 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 dun. That's the theme from Jaws, okay? Dun, 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 dun. Look what goes on. You see what's happening here? So the models are supporting our ideas. This may be a case that from what we were telling you way back in September, October, it's delayed by a week, not denied, okay? I would have liked it to come in quicker. This is the week ending December 26th. So you are setting up the Thanksgiving to New Year's fun and games with all this. Now, the last time we had this kind, 2010, this is example 2009. You all remember 2009. You like that, right? 2009, 2010, hoorah. Right? There's the blocking. There's all the jet cutting underneath. The last 4 warm Decembers, the Decembers that you have hated the most. Now, 2014, you loved November, but you hated December, right? So you had December 11, December 12, December 14, last year, December 15. That ridge was here. Notice where the cold was. So if you are going to build the opposite pattern, right, you're going to get the positive here, the negatives down underneath. What do you think should happen with the weather? Come on. You got it. You get the opposite effect. By the way, the European, for what it's worth, this is the snow amounts through Christmas, so it is forecasting it to start snowing. All right. Hold on a little bit tight. I promise you, you're going to be, by New Year's, you're going to be in a lot better shape by New Year's than you were last year or the year before. Okay? And then we'll have to figure out the rest of the way after that. That's it for now. Enjoy the weather. Only weather you got.